Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. One of my most requested videos on YouTube is how to get rid of pimples. And because I know how important this topic is, I've made many videos in the past and you can watch those videos right here. And in today's video, I've got the privilege of partnering with Himalaya, one of my favorite brands, guys, to bring you the best DIY pimple spot treatment and also talk about my favorite face wash on the entire planet, the Himalaya Purifying Neem Facewash. But before we get into all that, let's quickly talk about what causes pimples. Pimples can be caused because of many reasons, and some of the bigger reasons are having a really oily skin, clogged pores, stress, hormonal changes, dandruff, pollution, unhealthy eating habits, and also unhygienic practices like using dirty makeup brushes, sleeping on dirty pillowcases, and also always touching your face because that also brings bacteria to your face and clogs your pores. And this brings me to the super powerful DIY pimple spot treatment. Now, are we ready? For this, all you need is neem oil, turmeric, and gram flour or besan. If you cannot find neem oil, you can also use freshly squeezed neem juice, or you also get to buy neem powder in the market. You can use that as well. To make the spot treatment, you need about 1 teaspoon of neem oil, add about half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of besan. Mix it all together, take a Q-tip and put it right on your pimple and leave it there for about 30 minutes. If you're at home, just leave it there. You don't even have to worry about it. And in 2 days, guys, your pimple is going to completely vanish. Now, why the spot treatment works so well is because neem controls the production of oil on your face. This prevents clogged pores, which also eliminates blackheads and also the formation of pimples. Neem also has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, which actually fights the bacteria that causes pimples, and also the anti-inflammatory properties will help reduce the inflammation and pain of the pimples. Now coming to turmeric, I've spoken all about turmeric in one of my older videos, so I'm not gonna go greatly into detail in this video, but turmeric has the power to heal all sorts of skin conditions. Turmeric also has antibacterial properties, which fights the bacteria that causes acne, and also turmeric lightens the scars. Finally, gram flour or besan. It actually pulls out the excess oil and all of that excess sebum out of the pimple and also reduces the scarring. Now let's move on to the review of my favorite face wash on the planet because it's easily available, it is super affordable, it's cruelty free, and it works wonders. Himalaya Purifying Neem Facewash purifies and deep cleanses your face. It takes out all of that excess oil, cleans out your pores, but this is the best part of the face wash, guys. It does not leave your skin feeling dry and cracked. That's a huge no-no for me. When a face wash is leaving your skin extremely dry, your skin is having tiny little cracks and breaks on it, which actually allows bacteria to get inside. So we never think about how a face wash can cause pimples, but a really harsh face wash can definitely cause pimples. And that is why I love this one. It's so gentle on the skin, but it does such a good job at deep cleansing your skin. It's amazing. And it also has such a nice, refreshing scent. Its active ingredients are all herbal. The recipe has been taken from Indian Ayurveda, and the active ingredients are neem and turmeric. This is perfect for daily use. You can use it in the morning and in the evening. Thank you for joining me in this video. I hope you found this helpful, and let me know how the spot treatment worked out for you. Now it's time for me to leave you guys, but of course you can watch my older videos right down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. And if this is the first time you're watching my video, go ahead, click subscribe. I will not bite you. I'm a pretty pleasant person to be with. Never mind that. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah.